Okay, well now it's time to start cutting into this wing, seeing what we can make of it. I'm going to cut this. Getting there bit by bit. See, cut away quite a lot of the material here underneath, gradually getting it sorted out. Still a bit more to cut away. See the damage to the spars. Cut this webbing away. Can you see that? Bring the steam more. Just cut this away. Okay. So far so good. Charred on the outside. Okay, that's the rear spar. What about the front spar? Not really the main spar. Again, I can just start off by removing the webbing. Wing doesn't look so bad once you trim out the burnt bits. Fortunately, the damage to the spar wasn't too bad at all, so I can certainly see this is going to be repairable without a great deal more rebuilding. So, all looking good. I've done a fair bit of work in getting the middle section of the wing ready. I've trimmed up the sheeting now to be aligned with the ribs, and remove some more of the sheeting so it'll be a lot cleaner finish. I've also used the paper template to cut out some new ribs. This is the number 2 rib and a couple more of number 1 rib. View of the upper surface, similar story. Taking this out straight now, squared things up. I've actually made a couple of doublers for the W3 rib here, so the sheeting can go straight onto that. I've done that. The other thing that happened is yesterday in the mail I got my four new speed controllers. So these are plus 32, 30 amps, which is more than enough. Just in comparison, this is one of the old ones. They're actually, they look lighter, certainly they're thinner, and they've got the same rating in current, though they've got a higher current for the S-spec, so that's 4 amps rather than the old one had 2 amps. So I now have almost everything I need. I will need to get, I've got a receiver on order since the old one is in pretty bad shape. So anyway, it's progressing along, and you'll see I've got this second wing mount glued into place now. So yeah, it's getting there bit by bit.